Hi, I'm Sue. We are group 11. We have two group members over here. I'm responsible for the majority of the coding, and she's responsible for the most of the documentations. And we are here to represent the face emotion detection for customer services management. So, how emotion matters? Psychology believes that facial expressions shows message contribute more than half of the user's overall impressions. So how we detect emotions could help the customer emotions. Organization can learn from their customer interactions, leading to be better decision making services and process. Also, we can detect customer emotions to handle the emergencies event. If the manager cannot take care of the customer services all the time, so they will provide a clear feedback to all of the users. Also, it's a low cost and uh, especially there is no interaction needed compared to the questionnaires. So how we doing this project? We use Google Colab to do some cloud computing, and we will use it as a server. Also, we will use the Anvil as a silent. It will take the data from the Google Colab and showing on the website. We will use the GitHub for the coding collaborations. Why our project is good? Firstly, we use transfer learnings, so we can redefining our models, which really enhancing the accuracy in certain situations. And we have an interactive design website, so everyone can play with it, and it's easy maintenance. It has the various feedback, so it can handle different situations for different roles. Like manager can use it, employees can also use it. So how it works? We will update our the whole functions every 2 seconds. So we will save the webcam input every 2 seconds and check whether there's face exist. If there is, we'll crop each faces and detect their emotions by using our own models. And we'll add them to a data frame and doing some data pre-processing. So what we will show on website is real-time emotion line graph and suggested behavior on text. And each customer's emotion tendencies indicators. We use that to find each customer's tendencies, their emotions, performance, showing us a score. And we can also use the scores to check employees' performance. And we have two emergency controls. First one is when employee is leaving but customer is coming. So they will send notification on website showing that they need customer services assistance. The second one is if the customer is continuous angry. That means they will also show the notification on the website and also both send an email to the managers. So email the managers can check their email and even on distance they can know that. So also we will have a button, download button, which the user can download the emotion data on website. So I will show our yeah, here's our model. I'm just gonna run the server, connecting server, and run the program. Yeah, they will continuously give the feedback like face detected, something else. Okay, so as the server is running, they will keep updating the data frame to the to to the website from front end. So we just keeping doing that. If nothing different, they will show keep doing it. But if there is 2 fears or 3 surprise, they will showing that you can be trusted. And if surprise is really more, explain more clearly to the customers. Also, we have download data over here, so we can download the data, which shows over here, and for further analysis. That also showing you can be trusted. When the employee is leaving, so just press leave, but the function detect the face, they will show need customer assistance on website. Right now we have 5 emotions, and yeah, the angry one. Yeah, when the customer emotion is pretty bad, they will show some notifications that that customer emotion is bad. Also, let me check my email to see whether there is an email over here. If it works, it should be an email like notification, because this is free membership, so they will not, they will only send the email to myself, and sometimes it doesn't work. And we have another functions, employees performance check. For example, we want to see the first customers, and the first customers has a really bad score. How it calculate? So we can see over here. Stop this. We will calculate through here. We will calculate the slope. We consider tendencies as the most important part. So we consider the slope is pretty important. We weighted as 80, and the last emotion as 10, and the standard error as 10. Because we don't have, I don't think we have a customer performance. So yeah, we can have the customer ID and their emotions, which calculated by the tendency. Oh, wait, only 2 data is available, so we trying to find the second one. Yeah. So the customer ID 2, we have detect various emotions, so we can calculate their tendencies, their slope, and calculate their slope, their performance. So yeah, you see, they send email to my Gmail account. So that's our project. You can also download plot as PNG and do many functions over here. So that's our demo. Thank you. As a conclusion, due to the limitation of our knowledge to the Dockers and stuff, we use the commercial website builders and use their containers to build our website. In the project proposal presentations, we mentioned that we will combine the audio detections and both facial emotion detections. However, we find if we add audio detection to this project, the latency will be very high. So we cannot receive the feedback in a proper time. So as a result, we give up the audio detection and only keep the facial detections, because we find it's more important than audio detections. So what we can do for this project, we have more time. We will collect data and do our own customized model, which has the more higher accuracy compared to the situations. And because it's a lot of work, we just showing the code how we do that, how we could do that right now, but we are not really implement our customized models. And secondly, we will implement Google Cloud, which has the faster computing speed compared to Google Colab. So that's our project. Thank you.